tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start! The cat is big. Again. The cat is big. Your turn to read, children. The pig can run. Again. The pig can run. Your turn to read, children. Jim can zip his bag. Again. Jim can zip his bag. Your turn to read, children. The fox hid in the box. Again. The fox hid in the box. Your turn to read, children. Meg fed the red hen. Again. Meg fed the red hen. Your turn to read, children. Pam can mix the jam. Again. Pam can mix the jam. Your turn to read, children. Tom got a hot pot. Again. Tom got a hot pot. Your turn to read, children. The pig can dig. Again. The pig can dig. Your turn to read, children. Dad has a big cup. Again. Dad has a big cup. Your turn to read, children. The bat is on the mat. Again. The bat is on the mat. Your turn to read, children. I can hug my dad. Again. I can hug my dad. Your turn to read, children. The bug is on the log. Again. The bug is on the log. Your turn to read, children. The kid can kick the ball. Again. The kid can kick the ball. Your turn to read, children. The pig is in the mud. Again. The pig is in the mud. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. The cat is big. The pig can run. Jim can zip his bag. The fox hid in the box. Meg fed the red hen. Pam can mix the jam. Tom got a hot pot. The pig can dig. Dad has a big cup. The bat is on the mat. I can hug my dad. The bug is on the log. The kid can kick the ball. The pig is in the mud. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.